Alright, we are asked to find the quadratic equation whose roots are -3 and 1/2. Now, to solve this is very easy. The only thing you need to remember is the general form of a quadratic equation. General form of a quadratic equation. Alright, so if you can remember this, x squared minus sx plus p equal to 0, you are good to go. Now, where this x here represents sum of roots, and from your knowledge of mathematics, sum means what? Addition. Whereas p means product of roots, and product means what? Multiplication. Alright, so to find this quadratic equation, we are going to be doing the two. Now, so let's start with the first one, which is sum. We are going to find the sum of the quadratic equation. S is equal to sum. What are we doing? We are adding the two quadratic equations. Two roots we are provided with. So if you add -3 plus 1/2, you know this 1/2 is a fraction, while this is a whole number. So we're going to be doing what we call LCM. The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Now, since the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2, we divide. LCM divided by the denominator of these 3. So 2 divided by 1, we have 2. Then 2 multiplied by -3, we have -6, plus 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 1 multiplied by this 1 here, we have 1. So if we sum up the 2, what you have is -6 plus 1, which will give us -5 all over 2. So this is our sum. Alright, so we are going to still do the same thing for the product. For product, we say it means what? Multiplication. So what we'll do is to multiply the two roots we are given. So we are going to multiply the two roots we are given. So that will be -3 multiplied by 1/2, which will give us -3/2. Alright, lastly, to find our quadratic equation, we are going to substitute these values that we have into this general equation. Now, how do we do that? Okay, so we do x squared. In place of this s here, I'm going to put -5/2. So we have -5/2x plus, in place of this p here, I'm going to substitute -3/2. Everything is equal to 0. Good. Now, after doing that, you open the bracket. Minus multiplied by minus, it will give us plus 5x/2. Then, similarly, plus minus is what? Minus. So this will give us -3/2. Everything is equal to 0. Now, lastly, to find a quadratic equation, because we can't leave it like this in a fractional way, so we are going to clear this fraction. So what do we do? To clear fraction, we are going to multiply each term by the LCM, and the LCM is what? 2. So we are going to multiply each of the terms by 2. Alright, so this is what I mean. We are going to do 2 times x squared plus 2 times 5x/2 minus 2 multiplied by 3/2 equal to 2 multiplied by 0. Now, if you multiply 2 and x squared, If you multiply 2 and x squared, you are going to have 2x squared plus 2 times 5x will give us 10x over 2 minus 2 times 3 will give us 6 over 2, and 2 times 0 will give us 0. Now, can we divide? Yes. How do we do that? 10 divided by 2, we have 5x, minus 6 divided by 2, we have 3. Everything equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. Thank you.